Working hard might actually be the reason you're stuck. Everyone tells you, work hard and you'll succeed. But look around. There are people working 12 hours a day and still broke. Not because they're lazy, but because they're going in the wrong direction. If hard work alone worked, every laborer would be rich. But they're not. The truth is, hard work without strategy keeps you stuck. And that's one of the biggest lies you were told as a child. Watch the full video on our YouTube channel to discover all 10 lies controlling your life.